The secondary drive shaft for custom bicycle build number 1 is finished. Packed grease around the spline, put the spacer cup on, anti-seized the shaft and the set screws and the keyways so that never rusts up. Running ball bearings. And the goal of this drive shaft was to go from the centrifugal clutch of the 035 chain, and then on the output side here to go to bicycle sprocket. And bicycle sprockets are easy enough to get, so if I ever wanted to change ratios here, it's easy enough to take apart and change the sprocket.